All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this dual channel dash cam that I got. It was sent to me to review, but all of the opinions are my own. So the seller has no say in this. So it does have 4K dual channel. The front is 4K, the back is 1080p. It has a 3-inch IPS display and it supports up to 512 gigabyte micro SD cards. It does have Wi-Fi 6, so you can connect it to your phone and transfer the video footage from the dash cam to your phone. Has built-in GPS and ADAS, and it does have a super capacitor in here, which I'm not sure what that means, but I think it's the battery. If you do get like the hardwired kit, you can hook it up to your car's fuse box and you could have it monitoring your car 24/7. So let's go ahead and open this up. Slice that up, open it up. It slides out from the side like that. Very nice packaging, by the way. Feels very, very high quality. Okay, so there it is. Okay, I do like that they do give you a 64 gigabyte SD card. Now, when you mount this into your car, you want to put this onto the windshield first, right? And then you mount the dash cam onto this thing. That's USB-C. This goes to the rear camera. It has a nice arrow that indicates pointing up. I believe you can just adjust this like that. It does have a protective lens cover here, so make sure you take it off before you install it. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to see anything. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to hook this up with the power to this power bank here and see if it turns on.
Hello, DDPai.
Oh, there it is. It gives you a little greeting.
Insert a memory card.
Okay, it's asking us to insert memory card. We're going to go ahead and insert the memory card that comes with it.
Insert a memory card.
All right. It is recording. It has a sensor in here. Recording emergency videos. Because I keep moving this around, so it's recording it. There you go. Now you can see the screen. That is pretty cool. Okay, this is really high quality. There is a bit of lag, which I don't like. But the quality is really good.
Starting video recording.
Okay, so every time you turn your car on, you're going to hear that sound, which is a little bit annoying. Let's check the video settings. Resolution and frame rate, let's check this out. Oh, so it is going at 4K 25 FPS, which is fine. And then let's go down. Video encoding is H.264, which is good. Watermark setting. What's watermark setting? Oh, time and speed. Okay, we want to leave that on so that we have the time and speed embedded into the video. And that is it for that menu there. Let's go ahead and check the system settings menu. There's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth I won't get into right now. There's the brightness. There's AOD time. What is AOD time? Oh, auto off display. AOD, auto off display. 30 seconds or 60 seconds auto off display. Keep it to 30 seconds for now. Time settings, we already did that earlier. Language, English is fine. Speed, now you want to check the speed. We are in the US, so we are going to want to choose miles per hour. Go back, and then anti-flickering settings, we'll just leave that alone. And that's it for that setting. So let's go to parking monitor. Shut down after 15 minutes of parking. So if you have the hardwired kit set up, then you'll want to mess with this settings. But this kit here does not come with a hardwired kit, so I'm not going to mess with it. And let's see. Smart assistance. Let's check out what that is. Collision sensitivity. You can set the sensitivity. Parking collision, driving collision. You can set that up. ADS alert. Voice control if you want to set it on or off. Okay, let's go back and let's go check. Sound settings. Power on prompt tone. Oh, do we want to leave this on or off? I think that's when the camera turns on, that greeting voice, you want to turn it off or on. I think that's it right here. I'm going to turn it off because I don't want to hear it speak every time I turn on the car. Format, this would just format your your SD, I believe. Yep, format your SD card. More, what's in more? Factory reset, system upgrade, and help and about. So I'm not going to mess with that. We are done here. Let's go back to the main camera. So I am going to hook up the rear camera, and so you can see it's powered on. Take off this protective lens cover. There it is. That's the rear camera right here. So this button will switch or toggle between the front or the rear. So guys, as you can see, this is a really nice dash cam. I love the display. It's so big. So I'm going to leave you with this footage here so that you can really tell the quality of the audio and the video footage. Now this footage is recorded in 4K, but it has been downscaled to 1080p for this video review. But do know that the picture quality is very good. The rear camera does not record audio, so the audio is only being recorded by the front camera. So there you have it, guys. I highly do recommend that if you don't have a dash cam, you get something like this DDPai Pro 4K dash cam.